Idolobha laseGoli selivule ngokusemthethweni isiteshi saso sezicishamlilo esisha esisenkabeni yedolobha ngasekuqaleni kwanamhlanje sithatha indawo yesakhiwo esidala samagugu. MMC yezokuphepha komphakathi okumgcini Chwaku ubalula ukuthi isikhungo sesimanje sizothuthukisa ukusabela ezimweni eziphuthumayo futhi sithuthukise ukuphepha komphakathi nethemba lezicishamlilo eliqeqeshwe kakhulu elizosebenza ngaso sonke isikhathi.
Isixeko saseGoli sivule ngokusesikweni isikhululo somlilo esisandula kwakhiwa kumbindi wedolophu. Esi sikhululo siza kunceda ukonyusa izinga lokusabela kwiziganeko zeemeko ezingxamisekileyo.
Namhlanje ke siyayivula le ndawo for everyone, to ensure that we respond very quick in terms of fire and emergencies, and then also sizabe nawe sikhathe report or will be unveiling ama-fire engines i7. So basically siyashintsha ama-fire engines, so there will be no shortage of fire engines anymore. So this has been a work that beSwenza behind the scenes and pushing, because the community of Johannesburg sitting and in terms of fire we must respond very fast and quicker. So ke nale ndawo ke le Center Fire Station it's very central to here. If you are le ndawo, that's where many fires are really happening. So there will be more fire engines, there will be more firefighters here, so the city will be secured.
Ngokwengxelo yesixeko oku kuza kunceda ukunciphisa amaxesha okuphendula kwaye kwenze isixeko ukuba ibe seso sikhuselekileyo kumntu wonke.
Abantu bazakwazi ukungena apha ngaphakathi to get training. Ibafuna train about firefighting, bazawufumana. You want to get information about fire risk, everything like that, bazawufumana. So le ndawo is open for everyone, and would just come in if there are any issues. And also we're talking to the province ukuthi ama-ambulance abe lapha as well, so that we're able to respond. If there's any medical emergencies, we're able to really respond as well. The city of Johannesburg is that you're crying about your cries in terms of shortages of fire engines, shortages of fire stations that have been heard. We are going to be rolling out other fire stations in Chabulani. We're also going to build another one in HN in Alex as well. These are the high fire hazard areas. So city, we are here, and then also Nama fire engine that we are going to roll out, they are going to be able to go to Babangite. If in case of fires, are going to be able to respond very fast and all of that.
Ilungu lekomiti kasodolophu lokhuseleko loluntu umgcini Chwaku nobekhokele lo msitho uthe ngamaphulo aqingqiweyo kunye nentsebenziswano. Isixeko saseGoli iza kuba seso siphucukileyo nesikhuselekileyo. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eGoli.